a bill that would require the Guam Department of Education to be transparent about health and safety hazards in the schools.
We had the flea infestation at D.L. Perez and the rodent issues at Simon Sanchez and the mold problems at Southern High School. Also, there were classrooms at George Washington High School that had asbestos in them, right?
During a public hearing Thursday afternoon, Senator Chris Barnett saying he learned of these issues only after touring the schools as the Education Committee chair.
I don't think that senators should have to tour the schools for the public to know about the conditions in them. And again, that's kind of the gist of this bill.
Bill 44, or the Safe School Facilities Act of 2023, requires the GDOE superintendent to come up with a plan to notify the public of and address the health and safety hazards at the schools, such as infestation, hazardous material, or structural issues. The measure receiving supportive testimony from Guam Education Board Vice Chair Maria Gutierrez.
Monday there was a training, and I went to a water fountain at the school, and when I saw the water fountain, I had to hold my tongue, because how could the water fountain not be clean? I support the bill, and as a private citizen, like I say, and as a grandmother and great-grandmother, I want to make sure that this is a Bible for the Department of Education to follow.
The measure also receiving support from other lawmakers present, but Senator Telo Taidagui questioning how the measure would be enforced.
We give them the, DOE, the authority to do something like this, but what if they don't do it? How do we enforce it?
Also discussed during the hours-long public hearing were Bill 42, which would require an automated external defibrillator in all schools, and Bill 62, which would align the charter school law with a Supreme Court ruling to allow religious schools to apply for the charter school process. The measures also receiving supportive testimony. Matsuki Hirayama, KUAM News.
Good afternoon.